creating a pumpkin patch full of familiar faces. Okatie Elementary School is having a Pumpkins in Disguises contest. Students from all grade levels were encouraged to create pumpkins based on their favorite book characters.
One of my goals this year is to get parent involvement, teacher involvement, and of course the students get involved and treasure reading. So with October, here, we thought that disguising a pumpkin would be the cutest way for the kids to express their favorite book characters.
There's a few Cliffords, some Pete the Cats, and Arthur and more on display in the media center.
So this is Hamstersaurus Rex. He's from a series of books, but we happen to choose him when he's defeating the Squirrel Kong.
So first we painted it white. There's no face. It was just a white pumpkin with orange spots. And then I cut out the eyes. Then I did the teeth, the nose, and then Gavin worked on all the spikes in the back.
Stitch, because I like Stitch. I used some paint and then I used some light blue and I mixed it with white, and then I grabbed paper and then I made the ears.
Every class will now have the chance to walk through the pumpkin patch and vote for their favorite book character pumpkins. There's several different categories based on age, family involvement, and more. Winning students will be given prizes.
I also have scratch-off cards, and in the scratch-off cards, there's mystery. They can either get a reading buddy, a book, or a prize from the treasure box.
The Pumpkins in Disguises contest is also encouraging students to read.
I'm hoping with the kids coming through and getting to see all of the pumpkins in disguise that they'll see a book character that, I want to go read that one, and they'll be able to request that book from the library.
More than 100 pumpkins were submitted for the contest at Okatie Elementary School. Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.